Hospitals across the Southland are in crisis, pushed to their limits with COVID patients, and health leaders are out with new warnings.
Yeah, San Bernardino County reported more than 4,300 new cases and 12 more deaths today.
Orange County, more than 2,200 new cases and 2 more deaths. Riverside County, nearly 1,300 new cases and 1 additional death. We are still waiting for LA and Ventura counties to update their daily numbers. Today, doctors from across the state came together virtually to sound the alarm on COVID.
They are pleading with people to stay home and stay safe this holiday season. KCAL 9's Jasmine Viel is live with new video from inside a local hospital. Jasmine.
Well, Leslie, this new video was released by Kaiser Permanente to just let people see the reality of what these doctors are facing inside. Doctors from 3 different healthcare systems and California's Health and Human Services Secretary joined forces today, making yet another plea to the public right before the holidays. New video from inside Kaiser Permanente's Downey and Fontana medical centers shows the stark reality of the current COVID surge and the impact it's having on hospitals. You can see COVID patients lined up in beds and hallways, and even more patients waiting outside hooked up to oxygen tanks under tents.
I'm seeing people die alone. I'm seeing nurses exhausted, missing their families.
And this video released by doctors from across the state aims to encourage people to help stop the spread of COVID by staying home.
If people continue to gather for the upcoming holidays, we are going to cripple our hospital system.
It's the number of beds filling up very quickly.
The chairman and CEO of Kaiser Permanente spoke outside Downey Medical Center today, where he says of the 278 patients, 70% of them are diagnosed with COVID. And in the ICU, 95% of the patients there have the virus.
As the hospital bed count continues to dwindle, we simply will not be able to keep up if the COVID surge continues to increase.
We have a line of COVID here patient.
We're now seeing today, through the videos and the testimonies, the real impact of what's happened post-Thanksgiving.
The biggest thing that I hear from patients all the time is, I didn't think it was going to get this bad.
The vice president of Dignity Health shared this message.
So we have a simple prescription that we'd like to prescribe to everybody. Do not share the air.
Yep, don't share the air. That's their message. And Kaiser Permanente, which operates 36 hospitals across the state, by the way, reported they are now over 100% of their usual patient capacity. Jasmine Viel, KCAL 9 News.